channel. Today we are going to see a few common phrases in German language. So first we'll see some common phrases and then we'll see the sentences, simple sentences using these common phrases. So these are some common phrases. So for hello, it is hallo, H-A-L-L-O, very similar to English. Then for bye, it is choose. Okay, it is choose. T-S-C-H-U-S-S, but U with umlaut. If you see here, there are two dots above U. It is called as umlaut in German. And it is pronounced as U. If there is umlaut above U, it is called as U. Or not, and not U. Right? Okay. So for bye, it is choose. Then for see you again, like in a formal way, if you are telling someone that, okay, bye and see you again, then you have to say auf Wiedersehen. It is like see you again or a formal way of telling bye. So wieder is again. In German, wieder means again and Sehen is to see. So it is auf Wiedersehen. Then for thanks, it is danke. So either ways you can say it is, some people they say danke and some people they will just say danke. Both are correct. So for thanks, it is danke. For excuse me, it is Entschuldigung. E-N-T-S-C-H-U-L-D-I-G-U-N-G. Entschuldigung. So these are the very common phrases that you will need time to time. So we are just seeing it today. So for excuse me, it is Entschuldigung. Then for sorry, nowadays they will say sorry only, just like English. Okay. Now we'll see some few simple sentences using these phrases. Okay. Okay. So I have written it in a formal way and informal way, some few sentences, very simple sentences that you can use it more often when you are speaking in German. So in formal way, they will say, können Sie mir helfen? Meaning, can you help me? Können Sie mir helfen? Again, if you see in können, there is a umlaut on O. There are two dots. So it means können. It is not kunen. Okay. So in my other video called German alphabets, I have explained it. So können Sie mir helfen? Or in informal way, you can say, kannst du mir helfen? Can you help me? Me is mir. It is given in my other videos, what is mir and do and see, like that. We are just seeing it here, some few sentences, very simple sentences that you can use in your day-to-day conversation in German. Okay. Now the next sentence is, sprechen Sie English? Meaning, do you speak English? But this is in a formal way, sprechen Sie English. And in informal way, it is spricht. Sprichst du English? Okay. So do you speak English? So these are like formal and informal way we have taken the sentences, because in Germany, if you see any person for the first time, or if you are meeting that person for the first time, or he is elderly to you, so there is a different way of speaking that is called as formal way. And if you know that person very well, or if he or she is of your same age, then you can speak to him or her in informal way. So that's why I have explained in both the ways. Okay, the next one is for one moment, please. Sometimes we say no. Just a moment or one moment, please. In that case, it is einen Moment bitte. Okay? One moment, please. Bitte is please. So it is einen Moment bitte. One moment, please. Okay, then comes, that's all. Thank you. If you got any information or some address, and if you want to tell that person, thank you, you will say, that's all, thank you. Das ist alles, danke. Okay, das ist alles, danke. Okay, now here there are no ways because you will just say like that. It is the same for formal and informal way. Okay, now the next sentence is informal way. If you want to ask someone, how are you? How are you doing? Then it is informal way, it is wie geht's Ihnen. Okay. If that person is elderly to you or with respect you want to say to that person or you want to ask to that person, you will say wie geht es Ihnen. Wie geht es Ihnen, that is also right. And wie geht's is short form, like short form. Wie geht's Ihnen. And in informal way, it is just wie geht's. Okay, just wie geht's is how are you in informally. So that's all for today. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.